పదమెటుపోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా అడుగు తడబడుతున్నా తోడురానా చిన్ని ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా గుండె ప్రతిలయలోన నేను లేనా ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా వెంట నడిచే నీడవేనా తడి కన్నులనే తుడిచిన నేస్తమా పొడి తుడుకులలో నిలిచిన స్నేహమా అమ్మ ఒడిలో లేని పాసం నేస్తమల్లే అల్లుకుంది జన్మకంతా తీరిపోని మమతలెన్నో పంచుతోంది మీరు మీరు నుంచి మన స్నేహ గీతం ఏరా ఏరాల్లోకి మాటాలే లేని కళెచ్చాలు వారే ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా వెంట నడిచే నీడ నీవే తడి కన్నులనే తుడిచిన నేస్తమా పొడి తుడుకులలో నిలిచిన స్నేహమా వాన వస్తే కాగితాలే పడవలై
Our experiences with our beloved teachers in this school. In this process, let me welcome Pallavi to share her memories. Thanks, Manishri. An affectionate evening to one and all. We are highly grateful for your kind presence here. We, 2023 and 24, 10th batch is receiving farewell from our 9th brothers and sisters and the entire staff of Nakshatra School. Our special thanks to the honorable directors who had created wonderful platform for all of us to learn and grow. And all the time, like all in one, our principal sir had made us magnificent with his supporting staff. On this regard, we would like to thank all our beloved teachers and office staff for their valuable guidance. Now, in this regard, we would like to share our experiences with our beloved teachers in this school. Now, I would like to call Pallavi to share her memories.
Thank you, Mani. A splendid evening, everyone. Honorable directors, respected principal, teachers, and my dear juniors. I firstly thank all of you for giving me this great opportunity. Today, I just wanted to express my gratitude towards my beloved teachers. I really thank everyone for giving me this support and strength. Now, I just wanted to express my gratitude towards my beloved teachers by saying a few lines about them. Firstly, I wanted to start about my beloved class teacher, Telugu sir. He always tell everything clearly, and we love his teachings. And I really appreciate his teachings. Thank you, Telugu sir, for giving us the strength and support. And next, a dashing and unique one, Krishna sir. Thank you, sir, for your support. You're a unique person. I really appreciate your teaching skills. Next, I just wanted to say a few words about my social teacher, Babu sir. Thank you, Babu sir. You have always been with us and supported us. You have always given us all the strength and support to us. All your love. Thank you, Babu sir. And next, I wanted to speak a few words about my NS teacher, Ganesh sir. He always gave all the support and love towards us, and he always supported us. Thank you, Ganesh sir. I am not having any words to express my gratitude towards you. Thank you, sir, for guiding us till the end. You have been with us since our 8th standard. Thank you so much. Next, our beloved principal sir. Principal sir come math sir. With lessons, he also taught us motivational speeches. He always gave us that support and love and strength. He always used to teach us these motivational classes with everything. Thank you. And next, I just wanted to share a few words about Srinivas sir, who has supported us till the end. And last but not least, I just wanted to share few words about Kumari ma'am. She is the one who made us to walk in a straight path from beginning to end. I really appreciate all your hard work and love. Thank you so much, and I'm not having any words to express myself, and I really appreciate my classmates too. They have always been my back, and thank you so much. Now I conclude my speech by calling my classmate Akshara.
Thank you so much, Pallavi. Now, honorable directors, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, a very warm welcome to our farewell party. Now, I am really in a conflict mode, whether to enjoy this moment or to regret it. But anyways, in my 6 years journey with Nakshatra, I have learned and earned a lot of things. I have started my schooling in Sri Nakshatra in 5th standard. From then, I have learned how to play basketball. I have even played many matches. I have even won many matches, and I have enjoyed so many moments with my friends, splashing water in swimming pool, chit-chatting in class and all. And being a captain of my house for 1 year, I've adopted so many leadership qualities, and I've got to know what true team spirit means. And I've even made my team win Best House in Sports title. And Nakshatra even made me participate in outer events like Dhirubhai Ambani competition, Checkmukhe test, LIC essay writing competition and all. It even made me achieve many things and many victories. I really like to thank Sri Nakshatra a lot. Now, especially my gurus who supported me, all my teachers. Every student's dream is to stand on an open stage and talk in good English in front of a massive crowd, right? To let this. The person who not only taught us the English subject, he describes, demonstrates and explains everything in a very expressive way. He is the one who taught me how to stand confidently on a stage and speak in good English in front of you everyone. I must sincerely thank Krishna sir for this. Krishna sir, he is my favorite teacher from 5th standard. I thank you so much, sir. It's just because of you that I am standing in front of everyone and speaking this confidently in English with a flow. Thank you so much, sir. So, alage mana Telugu sir, Ratnam sir. ఆయన మా క్లాస్ టీచర్ కూడా. జనరల్గా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ అంటే కొంచెం తెలుగు అంటే భయం ఉంటుంది కదా. నాకు కూడా స్టార్టింగ్లో అదే భయం ఉండేది. తెలుగు చదవడం బాగా చదివేదాన్ని, బట్ రాయడానికి వచ్చేసరికి చాలా మిస్టేక్స్ రాసేదాన్ని నేను. అండ్ నా హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ కూడా అంత అప్ టు ద మార్క్ కాదు. బట్ తెలుగు సార్ ఇచ్చిన కాన్ఫిడెన్స్, తెలుగు సార్ చెప్పిన టెక్నిక్స్ వల్ల నేను హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ బాగా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోగలిగాను. అండ్ రాయడంలో కూడా మిస్టేక్స్ తగ్గించుకోగలిగాను. ఆయన చెప్పిన ప్రతిదీ అంత ఈజీగా అనిపించేటట్టు చేసి మన ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్తో 6 కొట్టినంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇచ్చిన మన తెలుగు సార్, ముత్యం లాంటి రత్నం సార్కి ఐ హోల్ హార్టెడ్లీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you a lot. It's just because of you that I've improved my Telugu handwriting. Thank you so much, sir. So now, normally, what's the meaning of punctuality? Punctuality means being in time or not being late, right? So, but if you ask me, I'll definitely say that the synonym of punctuality is our Kumari ma'am, because I have never seen her late to school or attend any functions lately or to conduct any activities lately or something. She's also very kind and humble. She's just like a fairy godmother for all our high school students. And I was more inspired by her quality of punctuality. Thank you, ma'am. And sure, ma'am, I'll definitely adopt that quality of yours, and I'll also be punctual for the rest of my life. And definitely, I'll remember you as the synonym for punctuality for the rest of my career. Thank you so much for inspiring me, ma'am. Thank you. Now, so Tikshna sir. Tikshnata means concentration in Telugu, right? So because of his concentration, chemistry was made dilute and easy for us to understand. Like not only chemistry, even physics problems also. He taught us the easiest way to solve the physics numericals and all. He even gave us and supported us by giving many materials, PDFs or something else, like all the sources of study for us to get clarity on the chapter. I thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for giving us these many materials and supporting us till the exam. Thank you so much, sir. And Ganesh sir too. He is moreover like a friend to us rather than a teacher. He too supported us by giving long notes, and he even taught us many techniques to draw diagrams and all. He is not like biology Ganesh sir for all of us. He's just like biology Babai for us, for all our 10 students. And thank you so much, sir, for being too kind, humble and friendly with us and supporting us till the very end. Thank you so much, sir. So now, social is like a very difficult subject in 10th grade, although in high school also. Like if we take a look, there will be like 4 parts, geography, history, economics, politics. If we take a look, there will be normally 21 chapters approximately. I too had a difficulty in social at starting, but even I can't remember those history dates properly. Like I used to confuse all the time between some dates and some techniques also. Some of these topics also I didn't used to understand them properly. But just because of some techniques that Babu sir taught me, I've learned history dates in less than a very short time, like in 2 days or something. Thank you so much, Babuji, and all these topics also. He explains everything like very exaggeratedly and very briefly, so that we won't doubt the same topic next time. Thank you so much, Babuji. And even before my exam also, my social exam, I was a bit nervous, like, will I be able to score at least 93 or will I be able to present well, will the math work be well and all. But just because of the motivation that Babu sir had given me, I have rocked my social board exam, and now I am very confident that I'll gain more than I've expected. And not only this, he even helped us in this Dhirubhai Ambani competition even, like by providing various sources of materials for us to practice, like there's quizzes, forms and all like materials. And just because of him, we won 3rd place in the final of Dhirubhai Ambani quiz contest, and we even won 2 cycles. Thank you so much, Babuji. I'll definitely remember you as the best social teacher in my whole life. And thank you so much for removing the basic tagline of social that is boring and making social even more interesting. Thank you, Babuji. Thank you so much. Now, coming to our maths sir. He is our principal sir and even my dearest daddy. But he never treated me as a daughter in the school. He always treated me equally with all the other students. Like he never even prioritized me, or even he never even praised me also. Like even in the assembly also he didn't appreciate me either. But what I've heard is that he used to praise me and appreciate me in front of others. Like he used to talk about my achievements with others. That's what when I've heard, I was very proud both as a daughter and a student. Thank you so much, sir. And he even makes all the math problems seem easy, like whether a 5 marker or a 2 marker, like everything he makes them seem easy. And even when we are asking doubts, he used to explain until we understand that topic, like it may be 5 times or 7 times or 10 times, it doesn't matter. He used to explain it until we get hold on the topic or chapter and until we can solve the problems easily. Thank you, sir. We are very much blessed to have a principal and a maths sir like you. And moreover, I am very much blessed to have a father like you. Thank you so much, sir. I even need to thank our school's directors. Thank you so much, directors, for providing such a good ambience of Sri Nakshatra. And thank you so much for providing us the quality education CBSE. Thank you so much, directors. I wholeheartedly thank you. And all the ayas, drivers, and the Sri Nakshatra staff even. I even want to thank them heartfully because like every day they used to greet me like good morning and all. Like in whatever mood I am, I used to become happy again. Every day they used to greet me. Even if I forget, they used to greet me. Like thank you everyone. Thank you so much for caring and support. Even our AO sir also, Babji sir. despite his busy schedule, he even came with us 5 days during board exams. Like he traveled up and down with us, and he blessed us. He even said all the best to us. Until we write the exam, he sat there and waited patiently. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for supporting us even in our board exams time and when you are busy also. Thank you so much, sir. And now for my new 10th batch friends. I know that I'm not in the stage of like suggesting you or like guiding you, but I want to share some of my tips to you so that you too can do better in 10th standard. Like read your NCERT textbooks well, don't leave any line of them. Like clarify your doubts all the time. Okay, don't wait for the teacher to ask, are there any doubts? You need to clarify on your own. Like don't waste much time on these rumors and gossips also. Rumors will come, rumors will vanish. Okay, you have nothing to do with them. And your main aim is 10th boards. Okay, do well in 10th boards. All the best for you guys to do well in your upcoming board exams. Now, before my shutdown, I want to say a small thing to my dear friends even. Like, farewell is not a regretting moment. It's like taking a new step in our life. So, don't feel that regretted. And since we are living in a global world, like everything can happen in just a mouse click or a phone call, right? We can meet every time. And sure, definitely, we'll definitely meet here in the same school, Sri Nakshatra, every year. And we'll definitely greet our teachers. Thank you everyone for sharing these many memories with me and taking care of me. Treating me as your friend. Thank you all the dear teachers even who supported us till the very end. Thank you so much everyone. Good night, bye. Teachers, now I call Srivani from class 10. Today on this evening, I would like to express my gratitude to all my teachers who have taught us. Whenever we lost our confidence, they built up and motivated us a lot. Thank you very much for each and every teacher. So, I am studying in this school from the class 9th, and in my study career, my most precious decision is joining in this school in 9th class. When I joined in this school, I am not well kept up in studies and I am not having confidence at all. But now I am standing on beside you. This is because of my teachers. Thank you very much, sir. Today on this fine day, I would like to thank all my teachers for their hard work. Starting from our Ganesh sir, who wrote each and every running notes for each and every chapter. Thank you so much, sir, for your hard work. We are very much blessed to have you as our biology teacher. The way you thought to draw the diagrams is so good, sir. And next, Ganesh sir. Next, Krishna sir, who taught English for us. He referred many books and gave the toughest grammar questions for us to increase our grammar knowledge. Thank you so much, Krishna sir. And next, coming to our Babu sir, who taught social to us. We are having social, we have 4 subjects, right? But the toughest subject for me is social studies. In geography, there are many things to remember. He created many mnemonics for us. Thank you so much, sir. And next, coming to Sutikshna sir, we provided many worksheets, previous year questions and everything for us. Thank you so much, sir, for your hard work. Next, coming to our Kumari ma'am, who is the definition of punctuality and discipline. Thank you very much, Kumari ma'am, for making us this disciplined and very good students. And next, coming to Srinivas sir, from 9th grade onwards, he is teaching math. Whenever we have doubts, we used to go to Srinivas sir also. And thank you so much, sir. And next, coming to our class teacher, Ratnam sir, who used to teach Telugu for us. Ratnam sir, ఎలా అంటే ఆయన ఎగ్జామ్స్కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి సీరియస్గా కానీ ఆయన మాకు టీచ్ చేసేటప్పుడు లెసన్ టీచ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మాత్రం ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ లాగా మాకు బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ లాగా చెప్తారు మా అందరికీ అర్థమయ్యేలాగా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ రత్నం సార్. ఆయన మాకు పెట్టిన గ్రామర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలా టఫ్గా పెట్టారు, అందుకనే మాకు బోర్డ్స్లో వచ్చిన గ్రామర్ చాలా ఈజీ అనిపించింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ రత్నం సార్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, కమింగ్ టు అవర్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్, who taught mathematics to us. Sir, we are very much blessed to have you as our teacher. You taught chapters and life lessons also. The way you taught life lessons, we are very much blessed, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So, next, coming to our 9th grade and next 10th class, all the best for your upcoming boards. You have got a best teachers for you. The only thing you have to do is to build up your confidence. That's it.
Now I'd like to hand my mic to Abhi. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I'm really grateful to see every one of you here. Today I want to share a few words about my teachers. First of all, Principal Sir, he's really motivating. The way he teaches maths is really inspiring, and he's my principal from my first standard. I'm really proud to be his student. And thank you sir for your maths is really good, and I learned really good by your teachings. And next, Krishna sir, he is really good in teaching English. I learned my English from him, and he's really joyful. Thank you sir, thank you for teaching and doing hard work for us. And Kumari ma'am supports us in every single thing, and I'm really happy that she supports us. Thank you ma'am. And Babu sir is really joyful with us, and he's really friendly. Actually, at starting has a few difficulty in social, but later on I got with it, and he teaches really good. Next, NS sir చాలా బాగా చెప్పేవారు, బట్ మెయిన్లీ నేను నా నేమ్ ఎన్నిసార్లు అప్లై అని చెప్పినప్పుడు అనే మాట్లాడేవారు, అండ్ ఇట్స్ రియల్లీ ఫనీ. అండ్ తెలుగు సార్ చాలా బాగా చెప్పేవారు మాకు తెలుగు, అండ్ లెసన్ టీచర్స్ మధ్యలో అయిన ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ కూడా చాలా మాతో షేర్ చేసుకునేవారు. దానివల్ల మాకు ఇంకా లెసన్ తీసుకోవడానికి చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అయింది. And PS sir is really motivating. He used to give us worksheets for final exams practice. And thank you everyone for being here. And I'll miss you each of everyone, my juniors and my teachers. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. And I wanna mic over the mic to Mahamya.
This is Mahamya, respected teachers, principal sir, and my friends, 9th class, my juniors, everyone. Good evening. Thank you for attending this farewell party, which we had arranged by our. Good evening. This is a day which I won't forget in my life, because this is the time when we face crucial times. This is the class which we found crucial and different times. When we started 10th standard, we had this is 10th class, what we need to do. We had been coming to 10th class. మమ్మల్ని ఆదరించి మా గురించి తెలుసుకొని, his motivating skills are really inspiring. He teaches us very well. For me, maths is somewhat difficult, but he teaches us very well. Next, తెలుగు సార్ చాలా బాగా చెప్పేవారు. ఓన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ని కూడా షేర్ చేసుకునేవారు. అందుకని మాకు చాలా బాగా లెసన్స్ అనేవి గుర్తుండేవి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. English sir, he's very joyful person. He teaches us English very well. Thank you sir. Babu sir, for me social is very difficult, but he teaches us very well. He supports us in everything. Thank you sir. NS sir చాలా బాగా చెప్పేవారు. అతను చెప్తున్నప్పుడు మాకు చాలా బాగా ఇన్స్పైరింగ్గా ఉండేది. చాలా బాగా అర్థమయ్యేది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. నెక్స్ట్ శ్రీనివాస్ సార్, మాకు క్లాసెస్ అప్పుడప్పుడు చెప్పినా చాలా బాగా చెప్పేవారు. హీ ఈస్ రియల్లీ గుడ్ అట్ టీచింగ్ మ్యాథ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. కుమారి మ్యామ్, షీ ఈస్ రియల్లీ very friendly. She cares us very well. She supports us every time. Thank you.
And my dear friends, first of all I wish to thank our teachers, principal sir, who taught us so many things and supported us.
I have lot of memories with this place, which shall remain with me. Which shall remain with me. I thought first, the day when I first came to this school, I was so frightened as this place is new to me, and I thought it's hard to make new friends and discuss my doubts with our teachers. But our teachers are so kind and friendly. They motivated us and taught us in a friendly way. The way they taught us is so friendly. I will miss my friends and teachers and the moments we have with them in the school. I'm really sad to leave this place, and it's hard to me to say goodbye to my friends and to everyone. Thank you, sir. Once again, I'm thankful to our teachers and principal, sir. Thank you.
ఫస్ట్ నేను తెలుగు సార్తో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఆయన మా హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్లో సపోర్ట్ చేసేవారు. ఆయన వల్ల నాకు హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ బాగా వచ్చింది, తెలుగు హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ అన్నిట్లో సపోర్ట్ చేసేవారు, ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండేవారు. అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్లో నేను చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్ అయ్యాను. రీడింగ్లో కూడా బాగా ఇంప్రూవ్ అయ్యాను ఆయన వల్ల. అండ్ చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండేవారు, సపోర్ట్ చేసేవారు. మ్యాథ్స్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ అన్నిట్లో సపోర్ట్ చేసేవారు సార్. వచ్చే వరకు చెప్పేవారు, అర్థమయ్యేలా చెప్పేవారు సార్. పిఎస్ సార్ అన్నిట్లో బ్రదర్లా ఉండేవాళ్ళు, ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండేవారు. గణేష్ సార్ గురించి ఆయన కూడా ఫ్రెండ్లీగానే ఉండేవారు, సపోర్ట్ చేసేవారు అన్నిట్లో. కుమారి మ్యామ్ అండ్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ మ్యామ్ అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండేవాళ్ళు మ్యామ్ కూడా. అన్ని క్లాసెస్లో ఫన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు టీచర్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good evening to one and all respected teachers and directors. First of all, I would like to thank my teachers who has taught us, and we have unbreakable bond with our teachers. And my high school has become so precious with them. First of all, Telugu sir who has taught us very, very nicely, and English sir was very friendly with us and who has told us, who used to support us in small things. And PS sir, Sutikshan sir, who used to support us, and he used to be so friendly. And this sir, he used to wear jokes, and he used to be so friendly. And Babu sir, he used to teach us very nicely, and the social subject which I thought very difficult, he had Babu sir chala easy ga chesaru. And principal sir, he used to inspire us very nice, and he inspired us so much. And Srinivas sir, first time maku maths chepparu, kani first 2 months chepparu, chala baga chepparu. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I'm really to see everyone. ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ మ్యాథ్స్ బాగా టీచ్ చేసేవారు. సమ్ చెప్తే ఒకసారి చెప్తే అలా గుర్తుండిపోయేది. మ్యాథ్స్ బాగా చెప్పేవారు. తెలుగు సార్ లెసన్స్ బాగా చెప్పేవారు. తెలుగు సార్ ఓన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ కూడా చెప్పేవారు, మాకు బాగా గుర్తుండేది. Kumari ma'am is very supportive in everything. And sir బాగా టీచ్ చేసేవారు, ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పెట్టేవారు, నాకు చాలా యూజ్ అయ్యాయి. బాబు సార్ చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండేవారు, బాగా చెప్పేవారు సోషల్.
Good evening to respected directors and principals, teachers and my dear friends. I thank I wish to thank to principals and teachers who support us to study. Respected teachers, you are very high status in every student's life. I have so many memories in this school. Thank you.
మా టీచర్స్ ఇక్కడ దాకా తీసుకుని వచ్చారు, నన్ను మోటివేట్ చేసి. స్పెషల్గా తెలుగు సారు నన్ను మోటివేట్ చేశారు. క్లాస్లో నాకు ఏమొచ్చో రాదా అని అన్నీ చూసి. ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్ అయితే ఆయన లెసన్ చెప్పే విధానం చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ అయితే ఒక మోటివేషన్ ఇచ్చారు, చాలా మోటివేట్ చేసేవారు. లెసన్స్ ఒక ఫ్రెండ్లీ వేగా చెప్పేవారు. ఎన్ఎస్ సార్ జనరల్ గర్ల్స్ బాయ్స్ అని లేకుండా డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమీ లేకుండా చెప్పేవారు. బాబు సార్ అయితే ఒక ఫ్యూచర్ ఒక అడ్వాన్స్ వేగా చెప్పేవారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్.
Hello everyone, once again this is Manishri. On this occasion, I would like to thank all my teachers who had supported, guided and motivated us. The way they sharpened our knowledge has made us succeeded. They have motivated us a lot and I want to thank each and every teacher. I would like to start with my class teacher Rathnam sir. రత్నం సార్ మాకు చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండేవారు అండ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైంలో సీరియస్గా అండ్ క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు చాలా జోవియల్గా ఉండేవారు అండ్ మాకు తెలుగులో ఎన్ని మిస్టేక్స్ వచ్చినాయని ఎప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉండేవారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. కృష్ణ సార్, the way he taught is very unique. He makes sure that everyone gets involved and he used to provide many grammar questions by referring many books. Thank you sir. Now Babu sir, the way he gives indirect questions is unexplainable. He used to give many books and he had motivated us a lot. Thank you sir. Satikshan sir, he kept many STs and gave many worksheets to practice, which increases our writing skills. Thank you sir. Ganesh sir, even though we have only 4 chapters in NS, he gave running notes which makes sure that we can understand everything, and he also taught how to write the answers for each and every question to score good marks. Thank you sir. Next, our principal sir, he had motivated us a lot. He makes sure that everyone understands. Even though he explains only few sums in each class, he makes sure that everyone understands the solution. Thank you sir. And the Kumari ma'am, thank you ma'am. Even though you gave many guidance to us, thank you ma'am. And my dear classmates, I'm really gonna miss these days. And I hope you all enjoyed our past years together and that was a great experience for all of us. This schooler is a golden era which we won't get again. And I hope we all enjoyed. Thank you all.
Program ni inta grand success ga andro ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని గ్రాండ్ సక్సెస్ అవడానికి కష్టపడిన అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ. నేను ఈ 1 year జరిగిన ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ని మీతో షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి వచ్చాను. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మా క్లాస్ టీచర్ తెలుగు సార్ అసలు క్లాస్ టీచర్ అంటే ఎవరు నమ్మరు. చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా జోవియల్గా క్లాసెస్ చెప్తారు, కానీ ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైమ్స్లో చాలా సీరియస్గా ఉంటారు. సార్ మమ్మల్ని తెలుగు ఎగ్జామ్ సక్సెస్ అవడానికి చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. తర్వాత ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్ మమ్మల్ని 5th class నుంచి బ్యాకప్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు నేను మీ అందరి ముందు స్పీచ్ చెప్తున్నానంటే దానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ కృష్ణ సార్ మోటివేషన్. కృష్ణ సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అండ్ బాబు సార్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి మాటలు రావట్లేదు. He used to be very friendly with us. మా పక్క వచ్చి కూర్చొని మాతో చాలా జోవియల్గా, చాలా అంటే ఏదో మాతో క్లాస్మేట్లా మాట్లాడేవారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. పిఎస్ సార్ సుదీక్షణ్ సార్ మాకు సైన్స్ ఫ్యాకల్టీలో ఎగ్జామ్ క్లియర్ చేయడానికి చాలా ఉపయోగపడ్డారు. మినీ వర్క్ షీట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వడానికి, టాపిక్స్ అయిపోయాక కూడా ఎన్నిసార్లు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయమన్నా సరే చేసి చాలా పేషెంట్గా చెప్పారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ఎన్ఎస్ సార్ చెప్పే 4 లెసన్స్ని కూడా Jan 23 నుంచి ఆగస్ట్ వరకు చెప్పారు. అంత క్రిస్టల్ క్లియర్గా లెంతీగా ప్రతి లెసన్ని చాలా డీటెయిల్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి సైన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఎన్ఎస్ బాగా రాసేలా చేశారు సార్. చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అండ్ మన ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్, ఆయన చెప్పిన క్లాసెస్లో హాఫ్ క్లాసెస్ మోటివేషన్స్ కోసమే మోటివేషన్స్ మాత్రమే చేశారు. ఆ మోటివేషన్స్తో
Sarika and team to give a wonderful performance. For your great performance. Now I would like to call Shiva on the stage.
Good evening to respected directors, teachers and my dear friends. Today I would like to share my school memories with you. I entered school by crying, but now I am going with lots of memory and with so many of friends. Teachers guided very Teachers guided us with lot of encouragement and support. Our 10th has started in January 26th, 1 year back, and ended with March 11th, 2020. Telugu sir had encouraged తెలుగు సార్ మమ్మల్ని చాలా బాగా గైడ్ చేశారు. ఆయన జోక్స్ కానీ క్లాస్లో టీచింగ్ కానీ చాలా ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్గా ఉండేది. ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ మోటివేషన్ అండ్ క్లాస్ చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా చెప్పేవారు. పిఎస్ సార్ మాకు 8th క్లాస్ నుంచి మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేసి ఎక్స్ట్రా వర్క్ షీట్స్ మమ్మల్ని చాలా గైడ్ చేసినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. కృష్ణ సార్ మా 5th క్లాస్ నుంచి మమ్మల్ని గైడ్ చేసినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good evening to all respective directors, teachers, classmates and dear juniors. This is Jitendra. Today I would like to thank to our teachers for their hard work from 26th January 2023 to 11th March 2024. Almost more than 1 year they taught to us to strengthen our minds. Their hard work is inexplainable. Till in the month of August, they have completed our syllabus. Till March, they have provided worksheets, books, etc. to us. Thank you to each and teacher. And 9th class మీరు బాగా చదువుకొని మన టీచర్స్ అండ్ మన స్కూల్ పరువు నిలబెడతారని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Hi, hello, I am Hanvish. I am going to miss every one of you, that include all my friends and teachers. I wish all the time we spend together eating snacks. This farewell is not end of our bonds we created over the years, but it's a goodbye to our school life. And 9th class students అందరూ బాగా చదివి నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ మన స్కూల్ పౌరుని నిలబెడతారని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello, good evening to all of the respected teachers and students. This is Giri from class 10. First off, I would like to thank to all teachers, including the dealing and non-dealing staff of the 10th class. We have unbreakable bond with our teachers. From 6th to 10th, the journey of my high school has become so precious with them. But when we have entered the 10th class, the caring, affection, seriousness towards us have increased a lot. We are blessed to have us. Today I am thanking everyone from bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and it won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and it won't be long till I hit the club. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby. मेरे दिल में थोड़ी थोड़ी सी जगह है ना, खबर कैसे आया
performance. Your hard work, determination and perseverance serve as a testament to the power of education and the potential that lies within each and every one of us.
In addition, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our teachers, staff and families for the unwavering performance, support and encouragement. Now, I'd like to call Ratnam sir for the felicitation ceremony. Now, I would like to call Action team to give a performance.